Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to download MetaTrader 4 on your iOS device. To download the popular MetaTrader 4 application on iOS is super easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch Open App Store. In the App Store, go to the search box at the top and type in MetaTrader 4. Look for this MetaTrader 4 application from MetaCodes Software Corp and tap on the Install or the Get button. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be installed on your device just like that. Once you are done, tap on the Open button to launch Open MetaTrader 4. Accept to the terms and conditions of MetaTrader 4 by tap and accept, and then there you have successfully downloaded the app on your device. So that's how you can easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.